Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is widely considered the best Shark Navigator Freestyle Cordless vacuum on the market. The Shark SV1106 Navigator Freestyle is a powerful, lightweight, and versatile cordless vacuum designed to tackle a variety of floor types, including carpet, hard floors, and even pet hair. If you're looking for a reliable vacuum that offers convenience without sacrificing performance, this might just be the one for you. Starting with the design, the Shark Navigator Freestyle weighs just 7.5 pounds, making it incredibly easy to carry around your home or even up and down stairs. Its cordless feature means no more worrying about outlet locations or tangled cords, giving you the freedom to clean anywhere with ease. The vacuum runs on a 10.8-volt battery that provides enough power to handle everyday cleaning tasks, and it fully charges in just 4 hours. Using a precision charging base that doubles as a storage block. One of the standout features of this model is its 2-speed brush roll. This allows you to switch between settings optimized for carpet or hard floors, ensuring a thorough clean regardless of your surface. The brush roll is especially effective when it comes to picking up pet hair, making it a great choice for pet owners who need to keep their homes free of fur and dander. The dust cup on this vacuum is extra large, holding up to 0.64 quarts of dirt and debris. This means you can clean more without having to stop and empty the cup frequently. Plus, it's easy to empty and clean, so maintenance is simple and hassle-free. In terms of filtration, the Shark Navigator Freestyle uses washable foam filters that help trap dust and allergens, contributing to a cleaner home environment. The vacuum's motor is designed to deliver strong suction while maintaining a noise level around 80 decibels, so it won't be too loud during your cleaning sessions. The vacuum comes with a precision charging base that neatly stores the vacuum when not in use and keeps it ready to go at all times. This base also helps organize your space, reducing clutter and making sure your vacuum is always within reach. What makes this vacuum especially appealing is its versatility. Whether you have carpets that need deep cleaning or hard floors that require gentle care, the 2-speed brush roll can handle it all. The lightweight design and cordless convenience add to its usability, allowing you to clean multiple rooms or even vehicles without hassle. Overall, the Shark SV1106 Navigator Freestyle stands out as a practical and effective cleaning tool. Its blend of portability, power, and pet hair pickup capabilities make it a top contender for anyone looking to invest in a cordless stick vacuum. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.